Howdy folks, Eric Williams from the Cape Cod Times here, February 5th. Snow coming down again. It's not too bad. People are out moving around. Kind of storm that kind of makes you wonder, did they really need to call off school? I guess it's for safety purposes, but boy, it doesn't seem so bad out here. Also, you ask those introspective snowstorm questions like, should I bother shoveling now or just wait till it rains? Reporting from Wellfleet, in the middle of not too much, this is Eric Williams with Action Cape Cod Times News.